The Mopar 10, this one with the silver trim, it's about 75 to 90 maybe. Doing some research, wanted to make sure I had all the answers. And then I was looking over the body and the wheels. So I wanted to give you a high definition video, and if there was something on this body or on the wheels that stood out, make sure I zoom in on it. Lift up this hood for you. I'm your Tracy Honda Insider at TracyHonda.com. We're here at Tracy Honda, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. We're open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Saturday. We're on Sundays and holidays. 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And just because this vehicle is so specific, again, just wanted to make sure that you have a nice, really, really good look at it. Everything that makes it authentic. Number 22 of 500, which is why it had that 22 there. There's a Pioneer. I'm assuming this is aftermarket. Only 50,776 original miles. Got the flashers on there for you as well. Just want to make sure everything works in good shape for you, that's all. Took it through the wash. There was no leaks that came out of there. So again, if there was, I would have brought it to the attention. November 2026 registration. Kelly Blue Book, trusted since 1926. Recommends this vehicle here in the brilliant black pearl, dark slate gray here. Is sold at $18,888. In the description, there's a link. That link will take you to the pricing. Just go ahead and click that. If there's anything that I missed, Tracy Honda Insider at TracyHonda.com. Please let me know. Otherwise, thank you again so much. We know there's a lot of these pre-owned vehicles, and these vehicles all have pictures, and more pictures. And then when it comes down to you seeing the vehicle, sometimes those pictures didn't show things that would have helped you with your buying decision. So, which is why I like to make sure that you have a nice high definition video here, and you can see a piece of American classic, just like the flag in the background there. That is potentially going to be owned by you. So hope to see you here at the dealership, and be here the day that you make your purchase. Congratulate you on your purchase. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and give us a contact. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I didn't show you the back seat. My sincere apologies. I believe it's right. How is the back? My apologies. I'm learning as I should have asked that question before I did the video here. Anyhow, let me at least push this up, then I'll find the release handle in a second. Well, while I figured this out, which I thought this was this, but this is for the lumbar. Here's your back seat. It's going to be somewhere simple, and I'm going to feel so silly, folks. My sincere apologies. Anyhow. Rear vents. There's a release. So I guess it's only through the, you got some lighting here.
only can get through the back seat through the passenger side only. So you got the release right there. Let's go ahead and make sure that works. The other side, unlock the door. Thank you for your patience sticking around so we can get through this part together. Again, just everything that you're gonna want to know before you arrive. Part of why I do this. Yeah, works great. So now that I figured out you could only get back there one way, thank you again so much for sticking to the end of this video. You have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And Tracy Honda, where this vehicle is at, come take a look, take it for a drive.